Hey there, this is Rick with the Mercedes Diesel Guy channel, and this is my 1984 VW Vanagon barn find project. This is going to be a very, very brief update just for today. Currently I'm waiting on parts. Mostly I have a starter on the way, and once that's here I'll be able to determine whether or not it'll start and run. So let me just briefly show you what I've done. So aside from taking the old starter out, which I have here, just sitting in the bus. I think it was late Saturday. I wanted to see what the paint actually looked like under the oxidation.
And close the door.
Excuse me, I've got a little helper here who wants to close the door. Okay, go ahead and close the door. Thank you. Mercedes Diesel Junior Part 2 there. Anyhow, like I said, I
like our new bus, Dad.
Yeah, so do I. He likes the bus. I was curious what the paint looked like under the oxidation, so I actually spent about 15 minutes just quickly, really quickly by hand, going around the bus with some compound, and you can see, especially when I go on this angle here, that I was able to get some shine out of this paint. And the bigger reason I did that was just so it looked like maybe a little less of an eyesore in the driveway. I mean, clearly I could have done a much better job. This was literally 5 to 10 minutes of me walking around the van just by hand with some compound. And I am going to be repainting this because, as you can see, this is already a poor repaint. It's worn through here on these edges, and if it was just that, I think it might give it a little bit of a patinaed look. But the whole front here could not bring any shine back into this. The paint on the front here is just shot. So, anyhow, I'm gonna have to repaint this anyway. But task one will be to get it running. So, this is all for today. I just wanted to show you that there's still a little bit of shine left in this poor repaint, and hopefully when I'm all done, it'll look much, much better. So this is Rick with the Mercedes Diesel Guy channel. Hit the like and subscribe if you want, and I'll catch you in the next video.